Hi ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a gorgeous day. So today I'm super excited to share with you guys some new purchases that I did make. Now some of these purchases are pre-loved and some of them are from the Black Friday promotion. First, I'm just going to show you a quick style. Because there are some charms that I did buy that I did open up and put on some bracelets. So I'm quickly going to share those with you, and then we are going to move on to the unboxing. And stay tuned till the end because I will show you guys a really special piece. This is a quick styling that I did make just to represent my holiday themed bracelets. The colors are basically two-toned, and we do have a beautiful Murano, which is the new icy snowflake Murano. It is gorgeous, and you have seen me unbox it a couple of weeks back. It is a gorgeous piece. I strongly recommend it, and hint hint, I did get a second one. I'm super happy with this Wonderland themed bracelet. Next, we do have this wintry celestial themed bracelet. I did style it on the Galaxy bangle. The clips, I did decide to use the sparkling leaves simply because I love the shape. I did have the matching clips that went with the clasp, but I did rehome them simply because the fit was just not right for me. I absolutely love these ones. I find they should have made it like these sparkling leaves with a little bit of a curve, just so it's not so abrupt. As for the Muranos, I did decide to add the Adventurescent Muranos. Next to that, we do have that beautiful star dangle. And the bail does have the same moon and stars CZs that you do find on the bangle clasp. It is absolutely gorgeous, and as you can see here, we do have two. Now the second one was part of the Black Friday deal. Next, we do have the little doggy head, and that is to represent my baby blue. And then my centerpiece is another purchase from the Black Friday sale, and this one I did find it at my local Pandora store, and I absolutely love it. It is gorgeous, and it is a two-piece charm. It looks fantastic nestled between the two dangle stars. Then we do have the faceted red heart, but that faceted heart represents Christmas. And again, we do have the same Adventurescent Murano and the sparkling leaves clips. I think it's super cute, and again, I absolutely love it. So now let's move on to the next purchase that I did make. So on the right side, we do have an Essence bracelet and the beautiful Love heart charm. It was super hard for me to find it, and luck would have it that the store that I went to actually had it. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous, and again, I'm super happy that I was able to find it. So now let's move on to the unboxing. All right, so this is a pre-loved purchase that I did make, and honestly, it has been a struggle because this has been sitting on my desk for about 4 days, and I'm finally able to open it. I'm a little bit nervous about this one, simply because it is an online purchase and you never really have guarantees when you're buying pre-loved. Here's to hoping that it is absolutely beautiful. All right. Well, that's adorable. I got a little note. So let's open this up. Now, this was an expensive purchase, but I do think that it was worth it. Oh, another one. This is absolutely gorgeous. Now this is the 14 karat gold twist spacer, and I finally got a match. So let's take a closer look. Now it's a wee bit difficult to see the 925, but I do see it. And it does say ALE right on the next little twist. So this will happen because of polishing. It does wear down the hallmarks, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And I am going to put this on my bangle to see if they're a match in size. So here we do have the two spacers, and they are perfect. They are absolutely beautiful, and I'm super happy that I was able to get a matching piece. Now this is my first pair of 14 karat gold spacers. I did pay around $125, but it did include shipping, and I can't wait to style with these beautiful spacers. Let's move on to my second unboxing, so let's get into it. This is exciting. Like I said, I have been waiting to do this unboxing very patiently, which, trust me, ladies and gents, it is difficult. Right. Let's start with this one. Oh, this is the box with two of them. All right. So we do have the Snowflake Murano. Like I said, I bought a second one. Now this one, I was so nervous about buying this one, and it is the Baroque Pearl. Right, so I'm gonna open up the other box. And in this one, we do have a Murano that did come out during Valentine's Day, I believe. And on this one, on the edges, we do have hearts. So that's exciting. These are pieces that I've been wanting for a long time, especially the Baroque Pearl. So let's start with the Snowflake Murano. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the snowflake. And we do have a lot of glitter. So I do believe this is a match to my other one. And here it does say Pandora. And we do have the S925 ALE on the bottom. It is absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, I will put these on the charm bar in a second once I look at all of them. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the Snowflake Murano. It's beautiful. And here, the way they placed the end caps allows the glass to breathe. Not like the Galaxy Muranos they made. because it's not symmetrical. And that is a great thing. So next we do have the Love Hearts Murano. This one is gorgeous. Oh, and it's a gorgeous pink. It's actually not a very bright pink, which is a good thing. But it's not fuchsia either. It's a little bit in between. It is gorgeous. And I wasn't thinking of getting this one, but on the Black Friday sale, who could resist? Yeah, so I might actually have to buy a second one. It is gorgeous. It's where the hallmarks keep getting smaller and smaller. But we do have the S925 and the ALE. It's a bit hard to see, but it is gorgeous and I love it. Now this one I'm a little bit nervous about because I was really nervous about buying it online. Simply because I didn't know what to expect. Because many people have been saying that they find this charm too lumpy or not lumpy enough. So let's see if I got the Goldilocks. Right. And I believe I got the Goldilocks. This is perfect. I was worried because I did see some that were extremely lumpy and it didn't really look that attractive, but this one is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous luster. And I love these little bales. They are gorgeous and super thin. So let's put all these on the charm bar. So these are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. And this was a good decision to actually buy these pieces. I'm very impressed by the quality and I am very impressed with the pearl. It is absolutely gorgeous and I can't wait to style with it. This is exciting. I'm super happy with my purchases. They are beautiful. And here, ladies and gents, is the final piece. Can you guess what it is? I'm sure you can tell by the box. It is the 2022 UK Pandora Christmas ornament. I'm sure you have seen this already. There have been a couple of videos that have been made. And here it is. It is a reindeer. Now this is a gorgeous ornament. It is small. I do believe it's the same size or a little bit shorter than the porcelain stocking. Now I do have a lady or fellow collector that I do purchase from occasionally on my local used site, and she asked me one day if I still collected Pandora ornaments, and of course I do. So when she got hers, she decided to get two, one for me, and it is absolutely gorgeous. These are hard to get. You can find them on eBay, but right now the prices are a little bit extreme, so I would wait a couple of months if you really want this little fella, because the price ranges from $100 to $300. This one did end up costing me a little bit. It cost me around $86, but I am happy with it. He is gorgeous. He is porcelain. We do have the Pandora written at the back. 2022, but usually the writing is in silver and this one is in gold. And Pandora ornaments usually have silver, but this one we do have the horns that are in gold and the little bell and collar, which is in gold. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. He does have a little Santa hat. At first I was a little confused because I thought it was a wreath that he had on his head. But it isn't. It is a little Santa hat. And we do have some black eyes and some red for his little nose. It's absolutely gorgeous, and the ribbon is kind of a silvery blue. It's absolutely stunning. And he does sit or stand on his own. He's well balanced. You can't do that with the Santa. He tips over. And please stay tuned. My next video will be about the Pandora Christmas ornaments, especially the porcelain ones. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching.